My name's Sarah Hardacre and I live in Amberley, just off Minchinhampton Common, and we've lived in this house for nearly 20 years. We wanted to put solar panels on the house for quite a while actually, but we didn't have a little pot of money spare to do it, so we saved up, and then energy prices started rising, and the more we looked into it, the harder it seemed to be to find a company who could do it. And also we have maybe not the easiest building to put them on because our roofs go in different directions. Well, we'd actually contacted a couple of local companies, and one gave us a quote but then said they were too busy to do it, and the other company we didn't get anywhere with. So we contacted Steve, who was brilliant actually. He'd done a job for a friend of ours, and the friend gave us his details, and I messaged him, and within 24 hours I had an appointment, and he came, explained everything, didn't mind me asking a million questions, and actually came back when I had some other questions. So we went for a solar edge system. We've got 8 panels on one side, 4 panels on the other side. We're quite high users because we have an Everhot cooker, so that is like a electric range cooker that's on all of the time. It's a trickle feed thing. So we didn't have a battery because we thought, well, if we can generate how much we use every day to power the Everhot, that'll be a big win for us. So that's what we did. The solar edge is really good for us because part of the system goes into shade in part of the day, so we don't lose masses of power with that, and all in all, really pleased. Installation process was absolutely great. All of the guys who came to do it were fantastic. They all seemed really knowledgeable, they were really friendly, really professional and tidy. There was a few stop-starts because we had a problem with some roof tiles which needed repairing, so they didn't mind coming back and picking back up again. There was also a bit of an issue with the electrics and Wi-Fi. They were brilliant, super patient, sorted it out, completely worked it out, and we were up and running within the week. So one side of our roof faces south, which is great, but it wasn't big enough to get the number of panels we wanted on. So we have also used the rear side of the roof, and we've got 2 gables on our house, so it's not necessarily the easiest of installs. It's not a lovely, straightforward, pointing in one direction. So we've got 5 panels that point one way and 8 panels that point south. And so that needed 2 lots of scaffolding, and it's obviously a bigger job for the fitters to do, but they were really patient, they were brilliant, all good. On a good day, we can generate 35 kilowatt hours, which is more than our consumption in a day. Absolutely, definitely, but I would wholeheartedly recommend going with somebody who you've got a personal contact with, who you can speak to if there's any problems or any questions. I think the referral scheme is a really good bonus. We've recommended a few friends. Obviously it's a big investment, so it takes time it's not something you just go, yeah, I'm going to do that today. So yeah, I think it's a great idea.